Australian Gold and Copper is a New South Wales focused explorer. We primarily focus in the western part of New South Wales, or in the central western part of New South Wales, in an area called the Cobar Basin. It is a prolific mining district, 150 years of history in mining. We are an explorer. We've got $16 million of cash in the bank and have a brand new discovery called the Achilles discovery, which is a high-grade gold, silver dominant and base metal discovery. And we are just rampantly drilling that out last year and this year, and it's just growing in size. It's really exciting. So this is a fairly new area. So we recognise in the north there are quite a bit of history of known mineralisation there. We wanted to go somewhere different where we could find a big one first. And big deposits have big footprints, but you've got to build baseline data sets. That's what the major companies do, and that's how they explore. So we have been spending quite a bit of time in the background building big data sets all right across our districts. So magnetics, heliborne EM, induced polarization geophysics, so IP geophysics, which shows up those sulfide bodies. And also now we're blanketing the area with a huge air core program, which tests the surface chemistry of the weathered material. And that is across about 5-6 kilometers long. And that will really build our multiple, set us up for multiple discoveries over the next few years. So we are a company, with our cash balance and with our trajectory, we're really a company that is thinking medium term rather than short term. The metal endowment of Achilles is fantastic. A couple of things that are critical about it is it's quite close to surface. So we've just released some early test drilling of just the shallow parts of the deposit, and it comes right up to surface. That's really key in this day and age, because we find typically in Australia we're finding deposits deeper and deeper and deeper, and it's really hard to make them economic. Silver, gold out at our deposit comes right up to surface, and we haven't found the bottom of it yet, and we haven't found the northern and southern extents of it yet. It's currently about 650 meters long, and it's open in all directions. We do not have a maiden mineral resource on it yet. We're working towards that later in the year, but we are seeing dominantly silver and gold in the deposit. Our $16 million really sets us apart from most explorers on the ASX at present. The cost of capital right now is really high for most. We're somewhat unique in that we've got a cornerstone investor who owns 55% of us, and also the second largest shareholder, New South Resources, which was almost like an incubator explorer that I was the CEO of for 5 years prior. We've both put cash into Australian Gold and Copper, which really cornerstones our investment going forward and should continue to into the future. So our cost of capital is a lot lower than many of our peers, and that really means that we can think medium term with our exploration and build this company not from one ASX announcement to another, but really doing the things that are going to build us over the medium term. I really want to stress that point. We've got about 6,000 meters of air core that we're drilling right now down the 6 kilometer corridor of the deposit. It's super exciting because we know that we've got the Achilles deposit over 650 meters. We want to see what the rest of the shear zone can throw up at us. We know that these style deposits occur in clusters, and nothing would make me happier to find one of these every year. We found one last year. We want to find a new one this year. But Achilles really is the cornerstone. We will be drilling Achilles all year, constant news flow. We know that the cash that's in our bank account, the best way that we can deploy that capital and get a good return on that is to drill and add gold and silver ounces at a really low cost of discovery cost. So we're really focused. Once we've got this baseline geochem survey up and down the belt, we will bring in the RC drill rigs and we will have constant news flow all year, which really sets us apart. When we're all looking at companies to invest in, we want a strong cash balance, a strong cash backing, so that the investors that are looking to put money in the future, and growth profile. So can we add gold ounces, silver ounces, for example, at a low discovery cost? So really, we have quite a low market cap now, but where our chart is really going in the right direction. Our momentum is strong. We have an amazing team. We've got some of the best geologists in central New South Wales working with us. It's just and hey, we just have a lot of fun doing what we're doing. We also know, I was out on site for the last 2 days. Our community that we work in, Lake Cargilligo, we love this town. Unfortunately, it's quite a dying town. The shops are closing up. It doesn't have a lot of investment in the town. The town is getting behind us. They know that we have a love for the town and want to support that town. That's where our ESG is actually measurable. We're not here to save the world. We just want to have a great relationship and effect on a country town in New South Wales like this. So that's sort of our purpose, and that really, we've got a great relationship with the community. So that's our goal, and we really think we can achieve it.